Ay, may nalimutan ako. Cornstarch. Wala dun sa ingredients. Kuha tayo. Kaya. Hey, what is up guys? It's me, Maidah the Drunken Chef, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I'm very excited because we're gonna do some cooking trips. And of course, because I'm the Drunken Chef, we got some wine. Anyway guys, today's video is something that we crave. It's street food in Philippines, yung fishball. And without the garlic, soy, or whatever we call it, Manong sauce, we're gonna make it today. And I'm gonna show you how yung authentic na flavors of that kind of sauce. When I was growing up, I used to make this at home, and then I always fail about this, but I've searched a lot of recipe about this Manong sauce or yung fishball sauce that we have in the Philippines, and at least meron kaming mga ingredients to do it. And I bought some fishballs, so we're gonna fry some later and try the sauce. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's dive into this. Next up guys, this is optional. I got 2 chilies because I really love spicy food. That's why I choose 2 instead of 1 or instead of none. Okay? So just finely chop our chilies, same as our onions, and yeah. Ay, may nalimutan ako. Cornstarch. Wala dun sa ingredients. Kuha tayo. Kaya. Ay! Easy. Okay, wait. So guys, I've got some cornstarch. 2 tablespoons. Or maybe 3. Yan. To thicken, yan. To thicken the starch. And then we're just gonna mix this with a little bit of water. Ayan. Mix mo lang siya until the cornstarch is dissolved. Firstly, we're gonna add some water. Next up, soy sauce. And then we've got some vinegar. Our onions, of course. Hindi sisimutin. Simutin natin. Sayang. And then our minced garlic. Straight in. And then our brown sugar. And then stir it a little bit. And then we're gonna turn up the heat a bit high. And then stir lang natin. And then let's wait until it's boiling. And of course, the secret of the fishball oil has garlic. Lagyan mo lang siyang ganyan. And now, kapag kumukulo na ang ating sauce, ilalagyan natin ng sili. Labuyo. Naamoy ko na siya guys. Ang bango-bango. Aray! And now guys, we're gonna add our cornstarch or corn flour slurry. We add a little bit of water as we can remember. And then we're gonna put our heat into medium. So, hindi masyadong mainit para hindi agad maluto yung ating cornstarch. So, slowly add natin yung cornstarch. Ayan. Slowly lang kasi if we add straight up, we're not gonna see kung tama na ba yung consistency ng sauce na gusto natin. Okay. Alright. And then from there, so yung temperature ng sauce nag-lower down, we're gonna put our heat a bit high. Okay? And then we're gonna add a little bit more hanggat sa ma-achieve natin ang tamang consistency ng ating manong sauce. Ayan. So, and then we're just gonna wait until mag-simmer ang ating sauce. Ayan. Look at that, guys. Sarap. Nagusto ko na kumain ng fishball. Ayan. Then, we're gonna cook our fishball. Ayan. So, medyo mainit yung mantika, I mean. So, careful tayo. Okay. Uy, tumatalsik. So, our sauce will be ready for like about 2 minutes. And when it's done, our fishbowl is cooked already. So, ay nako, excited na ako kumain. Ay! Aray, tumatalsik siya. Squid ball, whatever you want to call it. Basta street food to sa Pinas, sa Philippines ng sobrang favorite ko to. And I've got some toothpick para medyo talagang pang street food ang datingan. I'm gonna add some sauce here in my mini bowl or ramekin. Then, try natin yung fishball. No? Sobrang init ito, guys. Blow natin.
Init yan, girl.
Alam ko. Kaya natin yan.
Oh. Ano?
Mainit! Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Sauce or yung both, the combination?
The combination, yung sauce talagang tastes like home, guys. Siyempre, isa pa tayo. Gonna dip it again. Kasi guys, mahilig talaga ako sa spicy food. So, ito may sliced chili. Pero sobrang init talaga niya. Paso nga ako.
Kaya mo yan?
Hindi ko nakain yung sili. Wait lang.
Na.
Init yan. Ano sabi mo sa manong sauce ko, te?
Alala ko si Anam.
Sa UP. Yeah, exactly. Asan na sila? Kain na! Fishball time! O, meron pa tayong kinakain. Niluluto dito, oh.
Iba din yung dito ng suka nila.
Sarap!
Raksa.
Rapsa. I can't stop eating this, guys. Oh, isa pa, oh. The best. Oh, sorry guys, cheers. But anyway, thanks for dropping by. That's it for today. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I know this is annoying, but it is required. And hit the bell notification so you won't miss out. And of course, if you're so kind, please like this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you around.